Oh. Sweet. Sounds like a Bryant, but... Well, good catch, though. I haven't filmed these for a while now. This one's from 2007. It's a 2.5 ton. So... That's running in heat mode. There's like ice blowing out. Feels like ice blowing out. And this one's also running in heat mode. It's also ice blowing out off of this. Oh, almost dropped the phone. 2015, 2.5 ton. This one sounds really good. I like this unit. But it doesn't really look like a carrier. This looks like a comfort maker model. Or I say a Tempstar. So, yeah, I guess over and out.